Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this bucket hat. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this hat, I use this horse weight yarn I had on hand. It is a size 4 medium, and I also used a size J hook, and you will need a stitch marker. Alright, to get started, I'm going to make a magic ring. And make 6 single crochets to this ring. Pull this tight. So next we're gonna work in continuous rounds, so we're not joining. We're going to put 2 single crochets into every stitch. With a stitch marker, which are useful, we're going to mark the first stitch. And let it go around. You should have a total of 12. Okay. So now we're going to keep increasing this circle by 6 single crochets. So we're going to do that by doing 2. This first one. Stitch marker back in this first stitch. One in the next stitch. Two. And 1. So next round, it's 2. In the first one, then 1 in the next 2. So you probably gather that each round you're going to increase 6 stitches in each round. So you want to keep going in this manner until you have a total of 72 stitches, which is 2 in the first one, and then you're going to have 1 in the next 10. So I'll let you know when my circle has 72 stitches in it. Okay, I have my 72 stitches. And it does measure approximately maybe a little about 6.5 inches across, which is fine for me. You can adjust this to the size of your head, but adult size is about 6 to 7 inches along the top. So the next part of the hat, we are going to make this ridge part to form the top of the hat. So what we're going to do now, slip stitch into the next stitch. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do single crochet around the single crochet. So what we're going to do now is put our hook, insert our hook from this end and go around. So we'll put like this usually puts a hook in the stitch we were just in. We're pretty much going to do a single crochet around the stitches instead of through the loops like we normally do, and it's going to create this edge. So it says we're going to like do like, it's almost like a front post, but we're just going to do it like doing a single crochet, and we're going around the stitch. So I'm going to keep doing this round. Alright, I finished around my edge. I did my last one, which is 72 around, and then we're going to continue on like normal. I'm going to single crochet in the first one here. Keep track of my rounds with the stitch marker. And all you're going to do now, so we're still working, we're back into continuous rounds. And you're going to do one single crochet in every single stitch around. And you're just going to keep doing that until the length of the hat. My hat here, I did it for about, I did that for about 5 inches. So pretty much keep going all the way around until you have about 5 inches. My rule of thumb is that it covered, when I put the hat on, it covered my ears. So I'll just keep going around, and I'll meet up with you when I have my hat length about 4 to 5 inches, or until it covers my ears. Okay, I have about 5 inches from where I did my row here, the edging here at the top, to where I'm going to start my brim for this hat. So it's about 5 inches. It pretty much covers my ears. So I'm going to change colors at this point. I'm going to work my tails end. And so now we're going to start our brim. We're going to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch. I'm going to mark my row. And we're going to do a single crochet in the next 3. Two single crochet in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3. Now we are going to repeat this around for our row. Okay, I finished my row. So what we're going to do for 3 rows around, we're going to do 1 single crochet in every stitch. So I'm going to do my 3 rows of a single crochet evenly in each stitch, and I will get back with you. Okay, I did 3 rows of just single crochet. Now we're going to do 1 more increase row, and it'll be the same thing like before. We're going to do 2 single crochets, first stitch and 1 in the next 3. Do 2 single crochets, and 1 in the next 3. Repeat that around. When you get to the end, if you have, you're probably going to have like 2 extra, just single crochet in those. Okay, I've gotten to the end of my row and I have 2 extra after my repeat, so just go ahead and just single crochet in those last 2. Then like before, we're just going to do a single crochet in each stitch, and you do that for 3 rounds. I'll be back with you at the end of 3 rounds. Okay, I finished up my 3 rows, and that's pretty much it. That's the end of the hat. So what I'm going to do is slip stitch into the next stitch, cut my yarn, finish it off. That's it, my hat is done after I finish off my ends. There you have your hat. If you like this tutorial, please like this video, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.